Pollfish Survey Honest Review. Watch before using. Welcome to this honest review of Pollfish. Links to Pollfish are in the description below for easy access. Pollfish is a robust survey platform designed to help businesses, marketers, and researchers gather valuable insights from targeted audiences. With its unique mobile-first approach, Pollfish reaches respondents directly through apps, ensuring high engagement rates and more reliable data. One of its standout features is its intelligent targeting, allowing users to filter respondents by demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring precise data collection tailored to specific needs. Pollfish offers real-time insights with results starting to populate within minutes, making it ideal for businesses that require quick yet accurate feedback. Its pricing model is flexible, charging only for completed responses, which is a big plus for those managing tight budgets. The user interface is intuitive, allowing even beginners to create, distribute, and analyze surveys without hassle. Additionally, Pollfish ensures data quality by vetting responses through advanced fraud detection and respondent validation methods. Who is Pollfish for? This platform is perfect for startups validating ideas, marketing teams conducting brand research, product developers seeking user feedback, and even academic researchers. Whether you're launching a new product, refining an existing one, or trying to understand customer preferences, Pollfish can streamline the process. However, while Pollfish delivers on speed and targeting, it's worth noting that the platform's focus is primarily on mobile users, which might not cover audiences exclusively active on other platforms. Consider this if your audience skews heavily toward desktop users or specific online communities. If you're considering Pollfish, it's a reliable tool for targeted, mobile-centric survey research that doesn't compromise on data quality. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more expert insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content to guide others in making informed decisions. Thanks for watching.